Will XRP keep going down, or has the Trump pump already been put in? Since Trump got involved with cryptocurrencies, XRP has been going through some crazy swings. If you've been keeping up with the markets, you know about this. The price of XRP went up a lot, and many people were asking if this was the start of a new bullish trend or just a short-term bump. As the price goes down, everyone is wondering if the Trump pump effect has already been taken into account in the price of XRP. Is the rise in XRP coming to an end, or is there still room for it to rise? Right now, the market is very unstable. If you own XRP or are thinking about buying, you need to know why the prices are changing the way they are. Let's look closely at where XRP is now and try to guess where it might be going next. The price of XRP is having a rough time right now. After the so-called Trump pump, it hit a high point and then began to fall again. What's going on though? Let's break it down. Last few months, XRPs has been moving all over the place. This started to happen after news came out that Donald Trump was involved in the cryptocurrency world. The price of XRPs went up right away after this news came out because investors saw it as a possible sign of growth and more respect for Ripple and its token. The price of XRP went up at first, but it has been slowly going down since then, making many people wonder if the excitement has already worn off. Some experts think that the price increase wasn't just due to Trump's actions, but also to how the market generally responds to news and rumors. The price of XRP seems to be changing now that things have calmed down. Down, but it's not clear if this is just a short-term drop or the start of a bigger one. When we look at where XRP stands right now, we need to think about a number of things. The cryptocurrency market as a whole, which includes Bitcoin and Ethereum, has also gone through similar ups and downs. Contributing to the mood as a whole, there is also still the ongoing legal fight, the Us.Thankx, which is still a cloud over XRP future. So, is this drop in price just a short-term fix, or does XRP value mean something more long-term? It all depends on how the market sees the recent rise and whether buyers have already priced, and any changes that might happen in the future. Investors don't know what will happen next with XRP right now, so it seems to be in a holding pattern. There are people who think the market will get better and people who are waiting to see how the ongoing legal problems turn out. But one thing is for sure, there is a lot of doubt, and only time will tell if XRP can get back on track. So, the big question is still there. Is the Trump pump already priced in, or is XRP still able to grow? To help you understand this, let's talk about what priced in means in the money world. When we say that the cost of a move or event has been calculated, we're talking about the idea that the market has already taken into account how that event will likely affect the price of the object right now. In the case of XRP, many investors may have seen this price drop coming after the original rise caused by Trump's involvement in the crypto space. This means that the market may have already taken in all the excitement about his impact, which could have caused the price to start to level off or even fall. We can see some of these signs in the most recent price chart for XRP. But if you look at how quickly the price of XRP went up after the rise, it seems like the market may have already adjusted to the news. It's possible that the market is already priced in the Trump effect. If the price keeps going down, investors are now looking for something bigger to happen to push the price back up. It's also important to remember that the crypto market as a whole is still pretty unstable, with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies following the same trends. In this case, XRP might just be following the larger trend. That being said, the next price change might not really happen until the SEC case is more clear or until Ripple makes some new announcements. What if, though, the market hasn't fully priced in the effect of Trump? But if that's the case, the price of XRP could go up again if more news comes out about Trump or his effect on the crypto market. For now, it's important to keep an eye on both the market and any news about Ripple's legal problems and regulatory situation. Based on how buyers see XRP long-term future, the price could either stay the same or go up again. At the end of the day, it all depends on what news, market opinion, and laws change next regarding Ripple. What do you think will happen next with XRP? Is there a chance that it could go up again, or will it keep going down? There are a lot of important short and long-term things we need to think about in order to figure out what the future holds. For now, the main question is whether XRP will keep going down or whether it will find support and begin to rise again. Investors are probably waiting for anything new to happen that could make things clearer for you. If Ripple wins its current court case against the SAC, buyers may become more confident, which could cause the price of XRP to rise. If, on the other hand, the legal confusion lasts, the price might stay low for a while longer. At the moment, a lot of investors are waiting to see what happens. They are keeping an eye out for any news that might change the result of the SAC case or another regulatory decision. The overall direction of the market is another short-term factor to think about. The price of XRP isn't changing by itself. It's strongly affected by how people feel about cryptocurrencies in general. If Bitcoin or Ethereum starts to go up, XRP might go up with them. On the other hand, if the crypto market as a whole experiences more changes or declines, in the short run, XRP may continue to have trouble. Over the long term, XRP future will depend on how well Ripple handles its legal and governmental problems. XRP could keep going up in value if Ripple can keep forming relationships with big banks and staying at the top of the world of cross-border payments. Ripple's work to make XRP a bridge currency for foreign trade could make it more useful and stable in the long run, which means that its value will probably go up over time. For investors, the plan will rest on how they see the future. People who believe in Ripple's long-term goals may decide to hold on and wait out the fluctuations, while others may choose to sell or take a profit. It's important to know what's going on in the legal fight and in the crypto market as a whole, as well. Will XRP keep going down, or is it about to make a comeback? It's still not clear, but it's clear that there could be both short-term instability and long-term growth. People who invest should keep an eye on the news, market trends, and what Ripple does next. It's hard to say what will happen with XRP in the future, but there are a lot of good things that could happen. As we end, it's clear that XRP is at a very important cross-reset point. The recent changes in prices have been caused by a mix of market mood, legal uncertainty, and outside factors such as the Trump pump. But what happens next will depend on how Ripple handles its ongoing legal fights, how the crypto market as a whole changes, and whether XRP can find real long-term uses that make people want it. Should think about both the risks and the possible rewards. If you're hanging on to XRP, it's important to keep an eye on any news about the SAC case, Ripple's partnerships with banks, and bigger trends in the market. The next few months could be very important in deciding whether XRP gets back on track or the price keeps falling. You should also think about what this means for the Bitcoin market as a whole. There might be a lot more interest in XRP and more use of it in financial systems if Ripple wins its court case and gets more backing